How to create a Steam account on mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your Chrome browser and over here simply search for Steam. Then open up the very first link that you will see in the search results and wait for it to load. And after that, you would be able to find the three lines at the top left hand side corner. Simply click on it, then select the option of login and wait for it to load. Here you would be able to find the option of login to your account, but when you scroll down you would be able to find this option of create an account. Simply select it, then wait for it to load. Now you can provide your email address, confirm your email address, provide the country of residence and simply take this mark and tell the robot that you are not a robot. After that, click on continue. And this way you would be able to create your account after verifying your email address. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.